We're looking at week 50 of Music Makers at the Keyboard. This is book 4. I'm going to go down the assignment rather quickly. There will obviously be other pieces here that I won't be covering because those are for each individual child. I'm going through the general assignment. They've been working on this page 10, new position in G. They also have new positions in C and D on page 11. They have been transposing them, and they've been writing them, and I'm asking them to practice playing them. So here's what the new position in G looks like. They're putting the Do, G in the middle of their hand so that they can reach down for the So, and that makes their hand adapt to the position. Then they have to adapt again and move over to reach the other position with the F sharp, and then they move again. And they're doing this in the key of C, where they put the Do in the middle of the hand and they adapt. It should sound the same. And they do it in D. And so they're learning to adjust their hand to reach the notes that they need. In the left hand, they're starting with the thumb on the Do, and that way they can reach the notes below Do. Do, So, Do, So, Do, Ti, La, So. And they also are learning how to do a crossover, which they've done before. They're doing this also in C and in D. This does not take long. This is just a warm-up so that they feel comfortable with this. Then they move to the improvisation. They're learning, they can choose 3, 4, 5. They've done these before. It is a review. Then they get to Billaboo, and Billaboo is kind of a fun piece they've been playing for a while. They need 2 warm-ups to be able to do this piece. They need the E minor warm-up, which they call La, Ti, Do, Re, Do, Ti, La, Mi, La. And then they need to move down to what looks like D major position, but they're not calling it Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So. It's So, La, Ti, Do, Re, Do, Ti, La, So. You see, it sounds different. Ti, So. It sounds like Do, Re, Mi, Fa, So. You know, as long as they're able to move hand to hand, that's what I'm looking for. They're also practicing going from these 2 chords. Then they shift. By earpiece. John's idea has been around. I'm asking them to get the whole piece together. Now there are some empty spaces, or we may have filled them up with pieces that I've suggested that they learn, and those are pieces they're learning on their own. Below that, they're going to listen to Eine kleine Nachtmusik of Mozart. That's on their listening CD. And then they have a listening on their practice CD with their duple dotted rhythm cards, which they got today. And if you're curious what they look like, they are these cards. Do, day, do, do, day, do. Do, day, do, day, do. Do, day, do, do, day, do, day. Do, day, do. Do, day, do, day, do, day, do, day, do. Do, day, do, day, do, day, do, day, do, day. And so they should be doing that game to become familiar with these cards. Finally, they go to page 13, and they have to copy them. and that'll get them back on track, and we'll be continuing on at the next lesson.